Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to do pictures in pictures and Instagram story by iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application, and after that make sure that you are in the home section, and you just need to slide your screen into the right side until you have an access into this story section. And now you can just go into your photo library and choose the base picture that you want to use for this story. So let's say let's do a test. Now this will be the base or the main picture that you have for your story. To add the new picture, you just need to go click these symbols, and after that you just need to go scrolling down until you found this picture or photo library right here, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to find the next picture that you want to use or you want to add, and you just need to go click this picture, because whenever you click it, the picture that you just added will be changed the shape. So you just need to find the best shape that you want to have, and here is the look. So you can also adjusting the base or the main picture's color by slide your screen into the right side and find the monochrome one, so that the LEDs or the top picture will be look outstanding. So that is the way how to do picture in picture with Instagram story on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.